Hi, my name is Tina Sage, and I am your child's biology teacher for the first half of the 2021 school year. Biology is an EOC course, which means that they will be taking an EOC test towards the end of the year. And the first half of the first part of the year extends from August to June 15th. Unfortunately, the EOC testing window opens right after Thanksgiving and closes right before the end of, or right before Christmas break. So our kids will be testing sometime in between there. Hopefully we're not testing right after Thanksgiving. So it gives us a little more time to review and finish up any material that we might have to finish up. The EOC test is 30% of the year grade. Good thing is they don't have to pass it in order to graduate. They just have to pass the class in order to graduate. We do push the kids to do well first and second semester so that they're not relying on that EOC test in order to pass the class. So we want them to be going into that class or going into that test already passing the class, so that EOC test is just going to be icing on the cake for them. You should have already seen the syllabus because you had filled out the third page already for me. In the middle of the syllabus is the supplies that I had asked for, or for the most part that we had requested. They are pretty much what you would be using in most of the other classes. I'm asking for a section of a binder so that we can keep the kids organized and all their notes and their activities all in one spot, because they will keep going back to that information, because we're going to be building, we're starting in the micro and building to the big picture, which again, the EOC encompasses the whole year of material. So we're starting small and building to the big picture so that they will see all the pieces fit together right before the test is what our game plan is. You'll see our grading, our percentages. Our assessments are only 30% of their grade, just like the EOC is only 30% of their total grade. All of our other classroom rules and things about missed assignments. Really big important note is focus. It's really important that you have an email address attached to our focus account so that you will see every time I update grades that you get an email saying, oh, grades have been updated. It's important that the kids have an email address attached to it also. Very important that the kids are keeping up with their assignments, because if they start falling behind, their grades tend to drop with it. You might have seen this come home. I had the kids check out a biology book to go home. That was because I was starting to see that the kids were having problems getting access to their e-textbook on their phones and that, because that's what they're using to access their online textbook. So I had them check out a book so that they could do their notes, because I was having problems. The kids weren't doing their notes. And if they're not doing their work and they're not reading, then they're not going to have the material. So my e-learners, if you get in touch with the Media Center, they already have a book waiting for you. You just need to get with your parents and come pick one up. So if there's any problems with your internet or your electric at home, you have a hard copy waiting for you here. All of our biology teachers are within a day or so of each other. So if your child has friends, they can actually study with their friends, because we might be doing different assignments, but we are teaching the exact same material within a day or so of each other. Our assessments are all the same because we use common assessments so that we can compare apples to apples and see where our kids are falling, where our kids aren't getting the material and maybe someone else is teaching it better or has a better luck at teaching it. So then if someone else has got a better strategy of doing it and I say I don't, then I can go to that teacher and go, how did you teach it? And then I can reteach it to my kids so that maybe they'll understand it better. So we work as a team here at Eau Gallie so that we can make sure our kids are all going to be successful on the EOC. If you are unsure, my email address is at the top of our syllabus. We will be using two main platforms. We use Focus and Google Classroom to turn in our work. So everything will be at those two. Google Classroom, you turn it in. If the kids are having problems turning in their work via Google Classroom, they can take pictures of the work and email it directly to me, and I can take it that way from them. I did ask them, though, if they're emailing me work, that they put in the header what they're actually emailing me or what assignment it is they're emailing me. Again, it's very important that if you need to get a hold of me, best way to get a hold of me is via email. If you have any questions or concerns, please email me. Let me know that there's an issue, and we can figure that out and the best way to solve it. Thanks.